Is your Google TV screen staying on all the time instead of going to sleep? This usually happens because sleep/energy saver settings are disabled or ambient mode is set to never start. Here's how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check sleep/auto power off settings. First, from your Google TV home screen, navigate to the settings gear icon, then scroll down and select device preferences. From here, find the option called power. Now go to auto sleep. Make sure it's enabled and set to the desired time. If it's set to never, your screen won't turn off. Then on the power settings, find switch off timer. Make sure this also has a timer and not turned off. Solution 2. Check sleep and energy saver settings. Go back to device preferences again. Now scroll through the options and open energy saver. Then choose turn off display option and set this to never or 24 hours. After doing this, hopefully your issue will be gone. And that's how you can make your Google TV display turn off automatically again. Adjusting energy saver and screensaver settings usually does the trick. So if it helps, like the video and subscribe for more Google TV fixes and tips.